What's up, y'all? Welcome to our channel.
Like, subscribe, and comment.
Okay.
Yo, what's good? It's your boy Q.
Don't play me. Don't play me. Don't play me.
What you doing?
No. Why?
Yo, what's good? It's your boy Q.
No.
Your boy Jay. I'm the TT.
And Bree. Okay, so I'll give.
This mammal?
Yeah, man.
You have to split yours with one of them. Come split mine with one of them too. Okay. Okay, y'all.
I'm going straight to the lobster.
This is our seafood mukbang. Homemade sauces. We got the right sauce.
Oh.
Ooh. No, it's toast. I can't even talk about him. Right sauce. Y'all just gotta. Ooh.
Look at that. Hold up. Look at that. We go mop it. We go mop it.
Okay, y'all ready?
I've been eating.
Damn. You right, sis? I'm mop anyway.
Yeah,
That's
those-
good.
His leg in.
Yeah.
Oh my
I
God.
kind of want to taste the flow.
That probably make sense.
Oh, hey, let's make a thumbnail.
Oh, thumbnail.
We're going to hold
Okay,
up.
what we?
Pick up whatever you want to pick up.
You got the sauce on his. What? Nah, he already.
That's all right.
You gotta put it by your mouth, man.
You got something, man?
I'll taste the
You gotta
sauce.
pick up something,
You got
man.
something? All right.
Go around a little bit, Kate, so we can make sure we see you.
Let's say yes, so I can see your face. Come down a little, baby.
3,
Alright, 1,
2,
2,
1, let go.
That's the thumbnail.
God damn.
Who I gotta share with? Who had a piece already?
God damn.
I did.
Oh, wait. Look.
Thank you.
What's up?
I can't laugh.
What's up?
Don't nobody touch my palate. Let's get up.
What's up?
This sauce the fucking truth.
Where's scissors?
That's some good shit.
Where's scissors?
Mom, I know
Like
what you
the
need
Asian
yesterday.
taste.
What I do?
You know what you need?
No, what I do?
Oh,
Yes, you do.
What did I do?
You know what you need. Mom, the cheese.
Girl.
no, real.
Want to get a bowl for it?
Hey, I think this is gonna be a hit though.
Daddy, I like I was a real mukbanger. Where'd that from? Well,
Cat crazy ass.
With
Homemade cheese sauce.
wait, look, Jay.
I ain't with you.
that's fine.
Babe.
It just went in. Look,
Cheese
guys,
sauce.
I got both of those sauces.
Y'all, we
Cheese
damn
sauce,
girl, we
homemade
done
cheese sauce.
girl.
Brought to you by Taste Breeze Cooking.
Bitch, we
Food
buried the
services.
potatoes, the corn, the sausage, and all
Oh, I
buried.
see you.
That's what I'm looking for, potatoes.
We got
Look at that potato, y'all. Potato.
Look at that there.
What's that? Let me see.
Yeah.
Ken was
Oh,
calling
my
me. We're gonna call you
God.
after the video, homie.
Oh
As you
my
can see,
God.
we eating.
You put it on the cheese.
Oh my God. Top that cheese. Oh my God.
I was trying to break it.
Oh my God.
Don't put it.
Okay, we gonna have to
God.
Thank you,
maybe
honey.
add just a little bit more
Oh
milk.
my God.
Milk.
I just
Daddy.
got mamas.
Oh my God.
So,
Dog.
We gotta try potato with the cheese.
Oh my God, dog.
potato with the cheese.
Oh my God, dog.
What's
Oh
potato?
my God.
I need potato. Oh, potato.
I can't never break these
Hey,
things
look,
right
I'm
now.
gonna crowd. I'm gonna crowd.
Get one, baby.
Ugh. Oh my God. Scissors.
No, just break it.
Don't
with your
touch
hand,
this
mama.
one, y'all. You got the ornament leaf. That's mine. And I know you, Randy.
I got my own crab leg right here.
We just gotta figure out how to
I
make
got
it smoother.
Hold on.
That shit good.
Nobody touch
I feel
that.
like keep adding milk.
Milk,
Milk. What was the last
It's
one?
bullshit.
Cream.
just milk and
Cream.
Yep,
But you know the cheese makes it cheesy.
sticky. That's why it's thick
So
like
with the
that.
milk, next time we gonna add more
Let me
milk.
grab some real quick.
But you know it didn't say nothing about
scissors.
How much? None of that
I need
shit.
scissors too, Jay. I need scissors
It's
too.
open, girl. We get that perfect pearl.
that shit finna be so good. Ooh.
I can taste it already for him
So for the
here.
best school time, man. We did a whole season.
Cook.
Daddy. You heard me, Daddy.
You get two.
See, chef like.
She gone.
Damn, did they not give us enough time?
Oh, God, she can be like clean up person.
Right.
There's 4 people. Daddy.
I'll clean up.
JJ, basically be like clean up person.
Shit.
My dad said on me. Put it back. Get it back.
All the other niece, the new mom, the baby right there.
Oh, for real?
Oh, for real?
I did not cheat. We just good. We just good at that.
Oh, what's the name? Look on. What's the name?
See, you work in the morning? Hello, you wait your turn, bro.
So y'all, it's the vlog. Y'all can go back to y'all.
I ain't gonna
Abdominal pain and sore throat.
Going on the tube there, Barley. Barley on the
Talk to your doctor or pharmacist about your risk.
just got a photo bomb. Chill out. Dancing. What's going on YouTube? Say something. Say something. Alright, she's second too.
So you wanna be on, boss?
Hey, clear my office.
Yeah, say less. These little niggas bad, bro. These little niggas bad. I hope y'all know y'all going and you going on YouTube saying that, bro. So.
It's a real
How about you got B? Hey man, hey, that's the money maker right there though. That's the money maker of the family. He gonna be a boss, bro. He gonna be a boss one day, man, for real.
Yeah.